Welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome back to another DIY, and today we'll be learning how to make a braided knotted turban. Look at it, just look at it, and our material needed for this. I'll be showing you the material we need for this. You can use your velvet, you can use your stretching material. The best material for this is stretching material. Just look at it, and so our material needed for this project, so I'll be needing my velvet fabric. I use a velvet fabric. Then that is it. Just look at it. I have my gum, that's my big sister's one. I'm still going to use my hot glue, my scissors. I'm going to use a sewing machine for you to sew, or if you have a weaving machine, use it. And I'm going to have my scissors, my needle and thread. So let's get started. Let's get to our tutorial. This is the turban body. I've already do this turban body. Check previous on my video on how to make this. Alright, so let's get started. This is the braided part. I'll be giving measurement for this braided part. The measurement is 5 inches by 39 inches long. I repeat, 5 inches by 39 inches long. You're going to sew each of the three, and you are going to place the three together, and you are going to sew it. So this is the braided part. You're going to use a needle and thread to sew that part. See what I'm doing now? It's so easy to do. You use a needle and thread to sew that part. Just see what I'm doing. So this is the last edges of the turban. So I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew that place. So you sew it tight. Sew it tight. Just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. You keep sewing that, make sure it's very tight. Just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you for choosing us of me now. I love you. Thank you all for your love and your support. So you keep sewing this, and this is a braided knotted turban. Just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. So this is the finishing look, and this is the finishing part. Just look at it. So I'm done with the braided, and I glue it on the turban cap. Then after that, you are going to use your basic styles on to glue your stones just the way I did it. Just look at it. You're going to use your basic styles on to do your gum. So it's very easy to do. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Thank you all for your love and your support. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. If you have any questions to ask me, just drop the question. I'll be ready to answer you guys. Bye. See you next time, guys. Love you all.